This bird can literally see Earth's magnetic field with its eyes. Yes, actually see it. Every winter, European robins fly thousands of miles to find warmer weather. They never get lost. For decades, scientists couldn't figure out how. The robins didn't have maps. They didn't have GPS. So how were they navigating with such precision? The answer turned out to be quantum physics. Inside the robin's eye, there are special molecules called cryptochromes. When light hits them, they create pairs of particles that are sensitive to magnetism. Scientists believe the robin literally sees the Earth's magnetic field as a glowing pattern overlaid on top of its normal vision. It's like having a built-in compass that draws lines across the sky. The robin can see north, south, east, and west as actual visible patterns. It's one of the only known animals that uses quantum mechanics to navigate. And it does it with its eyeballs. A bird with quantum mechanical superpowers built into its eyes. That's wild.